Okay, today we're doing a fitment on a 2023 Ford Lightning F150 pickup. Okay. There's what the front of it looks like. Okay, and then underneath, this one fitment's going to be a 3M only, and it's going to go right on this underneath here, center, and then the back part of the plate will line up with that seam or that edge.
Okay. All right, so now we're going to take the bracket. The base plate will have 3M tape across here with foam tape on top. So initially what you're going to do is you're going to peel the foam tape off, and you're going to use the foam tape to position it. So you're going to stick it up here like this, make sure that it's nice and centered. You can have a second person help you, or just stick it and then come back, look at it, and you're going to get all lined up, and then you're going to mark it before you remove the foam tape. Okay. All right, so now we've aligned the bracket. We've had somebody, I've had somebody help me make sure that it's square, flush to the, everything's the way we want it exactly. This is only 3M, or not the 3M tape, but this is only the white foam tape. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some masking tape and I'm going to just mark. So when I pop this off and I do the 3M tape, I'll know exactly where to go. Now you can take the front plate off now and get it out of your way. Then take your masking tape, put it like that. And you're going to put the other one right like that. And then you can put one along the back to kind of give you an idea of where the back edge is going to be. Okay. So that's what it looks like with the tape, and now you're going to just pop the foam tape off, unpeel the 3M tape protective cover, and then line the back edge up with this edge. Make sure you keep these straight, and then just simply push it on there, and that'll be your installation. Okay, so the steps are going to be this. You've got the tape, so you know where it is. You're going to pull this base plate off. So you're going to pop it off. Just leaving doing the foam tape. So you're going to pop it off, and that's going to leave the foam tape on top of the protective film. So you're going to pull the protective film off. You're going to take your alcohol pad that's included, clean the area where the plate's going to go. Let that dry. Once the film's peeled off, once you peel the film off, then you'll just line up the back edge, make sure your edges are straight, stick it on. There you go. Now this tape will take 48 hours to fully cure. You have 50% bond strength in the first 20 minutes, and then it's 75 or 80 after 24 hours, and full strength at 48. So you want to make sure, this is another one, you want to make sure you only use a lightweight frame, no heavy license plate frame. Then once that's done, you can verify your fitment. Pull the pull pin, slide the front in, run it till it clicks in place, and there you go. And of course, then you're going to remove the tape because you won't need any of that anymore. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.